Is your Apple Music library playing hide-and-seek on your Mac, preventing you from jamming out to your favorite tunes? I'm here to help you unlock your entire music collection by authorizing your Mac in Apple Music, granting seamless access to stream, download, and enjoy all your songs. First, make sure you have the Music app open on your Mac. It's the one with the colorful musical note icon, usually found in your Dock or Applications folder. Next, look at the menu bar at the very top of your screen. Click on Account. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Authorizations. Another menu will pop up. Click on Authorize this computer euro. A window will appear, prompting you to enter your Apple ID and password. This is the same Apple ID you use for iCloud, the App Store, and other Apple services. Carefully type in your Apple ID and password, making sure there are no typos. Then, click the Authorize button. And that's it. Your Mac is now authorized, and you should have full access to your entire Apple Music library. You can now stream, download, and enjoy all your favorite songs without any restrictions.